Equalities use two different units to describe the same amount. For example, 1 meter is 1,000 milliliters, 1 pound 16 ounces. So equalities can be written as a fraction. We could say 1 meter over 1,000, 1 meter over 1,000 millimeters, or we could say 1,000 millimeters over a meter. Or we could say 1 minute 60 seconds or 60 seconds 1 minute. Here are some common equalities. As I mentioned before, any of these, except for the time, of course, will be provided, and some of these, like kilometer and centi, you need to memorize before the quiz or an exam. So let's write equalities for liters and milliliters. By looking at the previous table, we say 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Hours and minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So we can have conversion factors in a problem. A conversion factor can be obtained from information in the word problem, or a conversion factor that is written only for that problem. So for example, when we say a motorcycle is traveling at a speed of 85 kilometers per hour, we could use this information as a conversion factor. We say in 1 hour travels 85 kilometers, or 85 kilometers in 1 hour. Another example could be 1 tablet contains 500 milligrams of vitamin C. So we know 1 tablet, 500 milligrams of vitamin C, or if we have 500 milligrams of vitamin C, we have 1 tablet. A percent factor uses this ratio as the parts to the whole in a fraction. So for example, we can have part divided by whole times 100. An example, a food contains 18% by mass. Fat, we'll say 18 grams of fat for 100 grams of food, or we could say 100 grams of food for 18 grams of fat. So let's work together with this problem. Write an equality and conversion factor for each one of the following. So we say meter and centimeter. We say 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So we could write 1 meter over 100 centimeters, or 100 centimeters over 1 meter. So if we say jewelry that contains 18% gold, so this is the equality will be 100 grams of jewelry equals 18 grams of gold. So we could do 18 over 100, 18 grams of gold over 100 grams of jewelry, of 100 grams of jewelry over 18 grams of gold. And the last one, 1 liter of gas. So we say 1 liter equals $0.95. And we can write two conversion factors, $0.95 over 1 liter, or 1 liter over $0.95. In here, there is a story that actually happened. Why it's so important to have a international system. If scientists don't speak the same language in terms of units, then a lot of damage can be caused. So when we have a problem, we're going to be writing the given units and then write the needed units, and then we're going to write a plan to convert the given to the ones that are being asked. For this, we're going to use equalities and conversion factors. So for example, here we have the given unit, and here is the needed unit. We're going to use a conversion factor. Please notice that the given in the conversion factor, we're going to put it in the bottom so they can cancel out, and the needed is going to be in the top of the equation, so it will be the only one that survive the after the calculation.